Okay, we'll let these things cool down so I can handle them, get them cleaned up, get them clamped on the next step. Well, I'm back. Just got back home. Shoot, we've been running around for about 4 hours, my wife and I, and it's turned into a rather dreary day. Got it all clamped up. I think I'm going to put these on top rather than here. By putting them on top, it'll just give me that much more of an opening. Not that I doubt if I'll need it, but it'll give me a little more opening in here if I need it. So that's going to go there, and the idea right now is I'm just going to tack everything together and make sure it all stays square, and then start welding it together. So basically I'm going to tack these down at the bottom first. All I had were these great big long clamps. I don't want to weld on the bottom because that's where it'll be sitting on this block that's sitting here. So now I'm going to tack it on the front edge here. Let's see. Let me get these top pieces popped up, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I got them spaced out right, flush on the top and bottom. Let's get them tacked on there before they move. Let me get my welding gloves before I burn my hands. Now this whole thing will set on this 1¼ inch block here. Okay, let's tack it down. Here we go. There it is. Now let's go in and I'm going to cut some more bottoms and some tops. Now the tops will have to come up higher because I'm going to be hitting on those. So let's go make some, what do we call them? Dies. Let's make some dies for the guillotine tool.